Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do the floating door. Okay, simple. You just right click on here, then you will see this sliding door, external sliding door generate. So you click on it. Okay, simply select a door. Okay, then you click choose. Okay, so after that, if you want it become float, then you can click here. So it will automatically become floating door. Then when you click the button O, so it will open floating door. Okay, then here at the bottom you can see that this one is the open the door method. Okay, you can click left. Okay, then you open left lah. Okay, right, open right. Okay, and this one is overlay lah. I will make it come out or make it go inside. Okay, but make it overlay lah, so can do more things. Okay, this one switch back double door. Okay, and this one is the rear extension. So if you want to make on top here go out, then you can see. So maybe left I put 1000, and then you see that the rear will go out. Okay, this all thing you can adjust. Okay, left, right. Okay, and this one is the door size. Okay, the door. So you want the door bigger, so you put 500. Then you can see the door here open 500. Okay, so this one put 0, they will fit in. Okay, forward is come out how many? Okay, you can see from here. Let's say I put 200. Then you can see come out 200 lah. Okay, this one. Okay, and here this one upstairs is you see the door go up. Okay, so where you can put like 300. See the door go up. Okay, 0. So extend is for the bottom right. If you want cover this one like 100, so I put 100. It will cover lah. Simple as that. Okay, so thanks for watching.